So I'm going to be showing you how to make this bra cup today. I'm using some thin yarn, a 3.5mm crochet hook and a needle. Start with a slip knot and I'm going to chain 20 chains. The length of your chain should be from the center to the bottom of your breast. Now for the next row, chain 1 single crochet into each chain. Now for the next row, chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to do 1 single crochet again into each chain. Once you've come to the end, you'll do a total of 3 single crochets into the same chain. Now for the next row, we'll start working on the other side. Just do 1 single crochet into each chain. For the next row, chain 1, turn your work and do 1 single crochet till you come to the center point. Now for the center chain, do 3 single crochets into the same chain. Now continue doing 1 single crochet into each chain. Chain 1, turn your work and do 1 single crochet into each chain till you reach the center. Now for the center chain, do 3 single crochets into the same chain. Continue doing 1 single crochet into each chain. Chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet into each chain. and 3 single crochets into the center chain. Continue doing 1 single crochet into each chain. So you start with single crochet, come to the center, do an increase by 3, come back to the end and do the same thing till you reach your desired size. Now for the last row, chain 1, turn your work and do 1 single crochet into each chain. Now this time you need not do an increase, just continue doing 1 single crochet into each chain. You just get a neater curve up. Continue doing 1 single crochet into each chain. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now stitch off your ends. So that's how you make this bra cup.